Today, swimsuits feel completely ordinary. Bikinis, swim trunks, and beachwear are everywhere. But 100 to 150 years ago, going to the beach could lead to fines, public shame, or even jail, all for showing too much skin. In this video, we return to the beaches of the 19th and early 20th centuries. Using original black and white photographs, carefully restored, colorized, and gently animated, we bring this lost world back to life. In the mid-19th century, swimming was a carefully controlled ritual. People did not simply walk onto the sand and enter the water. Instead, they used bathing machines, wooden cabins on wheels. A woman would enter fully dressed, change inside, and then the cabin would be pulled into the sea by horses or workers. The door opened directly into the water, far from curious eyes. Privacy was essential. Some luxury resorts even decorated these cabins with mirrors, benches, and warm water. They were moving fortresses of modesty. As public beaches became more common, the rules became stricter. In the early 20th century, beach police appeared. Inspectors patrolled the shoreline with measuring tapes, checking the exact length of swimsuits. A skirt rising too far above the knee could result in a fine or arrest. Women's swimsuits were heavy and layered, often made of wool. Ironically, once wet, the fabric clung tightly to the body, revealing the very shapes it was meant to hide. Designers responded with skirts, ruffles, and even sewn-in weights to keep fabric in place. Men were not exempt from these rules. Bare chests were forbidden. Men wore full-body, often striped swimsuits designed to hide muscle and maintain respectability. Only in the 1930s did shirtless swimming become acceptable. Change came through sport and modern life. When women's swimming entered the Olympic Games, it became clear that movement and performance mattered more than strict modesty. Old rules slowly lost their power. By the 1920s, swimsuits became lighter, shorter, and easier to move in. The beach transformed from a space of control into a place of health, leisure, and confidence. What was once a source of shame became a source of pride. The swimsuit stopped being something to hide in and became something to wear with confidence.